Welcome to Motormaster Liverpool. Thank you very much for joining us today. We're currently looking at our 2019 Jaguar F-Type. If you'd like to bear with us, we'll have a brief overview of the exterior and the interior of the vehicle. But if you do require any more in-depth information, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 0151 728 4700 and a salesman will be more than happy to assist you. If we begin our walk around at this absolutely beautiful front end, as you can see, you do get daytime run lights with that extra stylish look. This particular vehicle is the R Dynamic spec and it is finished in the absolutely eye-catching titanium grey. If we continue our walk around, as you can see, all body panels do appear to be in great condition. And it looks extra sporty with that spoiler lifted up. If we take a look from the driver's side, as you can see, the interior is in excellent condition. It does come with very nice high-performance seats, which are half leather, half cloth, and as you can see, there do not appear to be any rips or tears. Now if we come back around to the front end to lift this bonnet up, there is the beating heart of the beast. This is the V6 model, plenty of power. Now if we jump back inside and have a look at your infotainment system, here you have DAB, FM and also AM stations. Bluetooth connectivity for the hands-free driving experience. Easy to use satellite navigation. Now if we pop the car into reverse, there's a brief demonstration of how your rear parking camera with front and rear sensors is displayed. Just below this is your dual climate control with air conditioning, so you and your passenger will never argue again over who's too hot and who's too cold. And as you can see, this particular vehicle is an automatic, and I must say it is a lovely automatic gearbox. Here we have your roof controls along with that exhaust note control. You can obviously have it a little bit lower if you live close to any neighbours, or obviously if you're on the open road you can open those valves up and hear the full sound effects of that exhaust. You do also get heated steering wheel as well. In regard to mileage, this particular vehicle has covered just 22,105 miles from new. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our 2019 Jaguar F-Type. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you do have any more questions, please do not hesitate to give us a call on 0151 728 4700. A salesman will be more than happy to assist you. Just to make you aware, all our cars do come with a 30-day motorsport promise and are all subject to a £150 administration fee. We also offer multiple flexible finance options should you choose to use one. Thank you very much for watching this video and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.